Well, I'll tell you guys something, man. I'm right here on COTE Boulevard, approaching Jean Talon West, and I gotta tell you, I'm really glad I don't drive today. And I don't mean that I didn't drive, I chose not to drive. I mean, I can't drive legally, so therefore, all these fucking people I see stuck in traffic makes me say that I'm glad that I'm not able to drive in this type of days, you know? So, there's a CP rail line over there. Look at that, fucking whiteout conditions, man. Jesus Murphy. Look at this guy, eh? Lev Goldberg. Scrap. Anyway, here's a charger for you fans like me. And anyway, it seems to me like this is a blizzard, not a fucking snowstorm. Look, you got almost zero visibility. The winds are gusting up to 70. You know. What more can I tell you? What more can I tell you? Anyway, I wasn't sure about making this kind of video because, you know, I want to save as much battery power as possible because, as I've stated many times before, nice that Buick, the cold just fucking is terrible for batteries. Just kills it. Kills the power. If this looks a little vaguely familiar to you, it's because I did film a walk from right about here, moving northward. Oh no, sorry, that was Victoria. Actually, it looks similar to here. You know. Let's try my pipes. Having a heat wave, a tropical heat wave. We're having a heat wave, a tropical heat wave. Oh yeah. Got that from Walter Matthau, who starred in one of my movies I like there. Look, there's a G-Wagon. The movie Grumpy Old Men with Jack Lemmon. Of course, both of these guys are dead now, though. You know. Yeah. So I don't know how long I'm gonna let this camera roll on this shit. I mean, like I said, okay, I got 2 batteries, but I try to be prudent, you know. Look at that, Civic, old Civic. Hey, one time on my street 2 weeks ago, not even, there were fucking 5 Civics, no joke, parked bumper to bumper outside my window. I forgot to take a picture of it, you know. Criminy. Everybody's creeping along. It's beautiful, even though it's depressing. There's there's that police charger there, that SPVM. I'm hoping maybe I'll get a call. I don't know if I'm going to include this or not. Probably not. Because I try to make money with my videos. Not videos. Fucking colorless fucking cars. Call this the man. This fucking old wall has got more color. You know? But the snow's starting to accumulate. As you can see. We're having a heat wave. A tropical heat wave. And I'm an eccentric. It's my job to be weird. Come on, fishtail that son of a bitch. Yeah, I guess not, eh? Not. So I figure I might as well go back to Walderton where I was yesterday. Maybe I'll get a CP in action there. CP, Canadian Pacific. Snowstorm. Mind you, we're rush hour now, but you know, it's all good. It's also a good place to film some emergency vehicles. You know. Crazy, eh? See, the Charger is a great looking car. I like the Taurus, but it's no surprising that I didn't really like it beforehand because it's a dull car. I saw one go by today. I'm like, yeah, it's nice, but meh. I mean, the one that came out in the 90s. Now that was the nicest Taurus ever made. Very impressive. You know? Here for you scrap lovers. Look at this guy honking for. He's gonna fucking hit somebody or something. I don't know. Yeah. So that's about it, man. Quick glimpse. Is that my bus I could take? Oh fuck, I think that's the 92. Dynamite. Awesome. Look at Bell. Like so many companies before, they had lots of good trucks, Dodge Rams, but what are you gonna do? Oh!